What's up, peeps? Welcome back to Elizabeth's vlog, and we're doing some more of Minecraft Pocket Edition. And give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe. Let's get started. What a wonderful day. It's a really pretty day with my new house that I just moved and a horse that I got back there. I should really have a farm. I'm really thinking to have a farm. What if I order a farm? They can make it for me, instructions, and I could call any. Oh yes, please, let's start my farm. Yes, let's do this. Okay, if I want to do this, I am gonna go for it. Okay. Come, horsey. Who's the best horsey? Who's the best horsey? Of course, you are. Yes, you are. Okay, you know what? Let's go. I ordered a farm, okay? And this farm should be good. So, and there's a lot of horses. So, yeah. Close. Okay, now come. Okay. Let's go over there and we should be there. Okay. Here we are. The beautiful new farm. Well, we don't have nothing grown yet, but we have horses. Yeet. Let's get in there now. Whew. Let's go. Here we are. Our new farm. Okay. Oops, sorry. Come. Okay. This is Oh my goodness, we have a bunch of horses. I like this. Okay. Who's Cassie? Oh, I like your name. Night Bright. That's a really nice name. Brighter. I was thinking of calling you Blondie Lock, but I can't do that. And you are Dottie. I like that name. What a pretty. And Horsey. Maybe they didn't know what to name this. They called it Horsey. 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 I like that name. Horsey. Okay. You know what? I like these boys and girls a lot. Oh, and also, they're gonna construct a house over there, so maybe I can move there, even though I just moved to a house. But they say they're still planning if it's gonna be big or small. I hope it's big enough, so then I don't have to go all the way over to there because I have trouble with the trees passing and the horse too, so yeah. If I trade you guys and put you between this guy, I'm gonna take farmer. Okay, let me see how I look with your farmer, because I really like Night Bright. So, ooh, I like it. How about this leather one? I like it. Oops, sorry. How about this one? Ooh. So elegant, Night Brave. I really like that one. How about diamond one? Aha! This is what I've been looking for. I kind of like the golden one, so yeah. I'm gonna more dress you up with the golden one. Look at yourself. Look at yourself. So pretty and brave and I don't know if you're a boy or girl. Hopefully a boy or a girl. I don't know. Both of them sound great. So let's just put these in there. Oh right. I could give you food. Yeah. What a nice boy or girl. Since you're called Night Brave, I'm thinking you're a boy. So yeah. You're a boy. Yay. You're a boy. Yay. What a nice one. Man, I was thinking of a bigger one, but this is nice too, I guess. Yeah. This should work enough, I'm guessing. Right? I mean, this looks fine enough. I like it a lot. And I was actually thinking that I could bring one of my horses to the secret that I did in the last episode, the previous episode of with the question mark, because really, what the heck? Sorry, but true. Okay, let's take you back home, and we will be done soon doing whatever we're gonna do. So let's open these. And let's go. There. I feel so brave. Oh my god. I feel like I am Iron Man. Let's go! Nah, just kidding. If I was Iron Man, I would have fine by now. If I wasn't creative, that would have been the best thing. So, yeah, I'm out of here. Okay, so that was it for the video, and it's actually turning night. So, yeah. And as you can see, I got a new skin. Don't you guys love it? Isn't it pretty? I kind of like it in front, but at the back, it's kind of too colorful. But I still like it. It's nice and pretty. Oh shoot! I opened it. So yeah, I hope you can subscribe to this video and leave likes. And I also want to say that I'm doing also videos on my brother's police station. I did the first episode. I'm gonna do a part 2. I haven't done it yet, but I think this second one is gonna be on my account. So yeah, it's getting night, and on the way, yeah, I got trees. On the way, I got trees, so I had to hurry. All those trees were very busy. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe, and yeah, and tell me if you like the skin or not, and I could change it to another one, or I could keep the same one I got. But thank you guys for watching, and see ya.